Hello students, I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start a new chapter in social studies, that is chapter number 19, Nobel Laureates from India. So let us first of all learn what is a Nobel Prize and who are called Nobel Laureates. The Nobel Prize is an international award that is given every year to people who have done good to humanity. The person who receives this prize is called a Nobel Laureate. The Nobel Prize is named after the Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel, who invented dynamite, with which rocks can be blown up. In his will, he said that all his wealth should be used to award prizes to people who have done extraordinary work in physics, chemistry, medicine, peace, and literature. Now, the Nobel laureates from India. The first Nobel laureate from India was Rabindranath Tagore. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his book of poems titled Gitanjali, Song Offerings, which had been written a year earlier in 1912. He was also the first Asian to win the award. Not only he was the first Indian, he was also the first Asian to win the award. The second Indian winner of the Nobel Prize was Dr. C.V. Raman. He was a scientist and got the award for the discovery of the scattering of light and its effect. This effect was later named the Raman effect. Today, Raman's discovery is used in laboratories all over the world to detect diseases such as cancer. The third winner of the Nobel Prize was Mother Teresa. She was given the prize for bringing help to suffering humanity. She established the Missionaries of Charity for taking care of the needy and sick people who were left on the streets of Calcutta, now known as Kolkata. Mother Teresa taught us by her example what it really means to live the gospel. She also started an orphanage called Nirmal Hriday and a home for leprosy patients. The next winner from India was Dr. Amartya Sen, who received the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in 1998. He won the award for his work in welfare economics, which is a way of finding out what needs to be done for the welfare of all people in a community or group. In 2014, Kailash Satyarthi, the founder of Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Global March Against Child Labor, Global Campaign for Education, got the Nobel Peace Prize for working towards rescuing children from child labor, slavery, and being sold to other people. Besides these people, there are other winners of the Nobel Prize who were born in India but have received the prize for work they have done outside India. They are called Nobel Laureates of Indian origin. Some of them are Dr. Hargobind Khurana. He got the Nobel Prize in Medicine. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. He became the Nobel Laureate for work done in USA for his studies on the structure and evolution of stars. In 2009, Venkatraman Ramakrishna received the Nobel Prize for his studies on the structure and function of the ribosome, which are present in our cells. Another person who is remembered all over the world for his work on the cause of malaria is Dr. Ronald Ross, who was born in Almora. The Nobel laureate of British origin discovered that it was the female Anopheles mosquito that carried the malaria parasite and passed it on to the humans. He carried out his research in India. Now, things you should know. First, the youngest winner of the Nobel Prize was 17 years old and the oldest winner of the Nobel Prize was 90 years old. Second, the Nobel Prize are announced in advance but distributed every year on December 10 to mark the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel. I hope that you have understood this chapter well. Thank you for watching this video.